Hi there! In this video, we're going to show you how to customize the default template for all WPForms emails for free. Instead of receiving or sending a basic email like this, you can completely get a nice email like this one. It makes emails sent from your WordPress more consistent and professional. Now let's install the plugin. On your WordPress dashboard, go over to Plugins, Add New Plugin. Search for Email. Install and activate the plugin. After activating the plugin, you can go to the email section in the WordPress admin panel to access Email Customizer. And here you can see the default template. In Core Templates is a list of common WordPress emails like password resets and new user notifications and so on. You can also customize these email templates. Now click on the default template to see and customize it. This default email template will be used for all your WPForms emails. As the site owner, you can customize the layout and appearance of the emails like the image, the video, the header, footer, title, colors, fonts, button, and so on. But the actual email content and formatting that is sent from WordPress is preserved in the content email section here. This means you cannot make changes to the specific content of the email itself. If you want an additional feature that allows you to modify email content, like this one, you can use our Pro version. Now let's try to customize it. At begin, we delete this header and insert an image. You can upload it from your media library or your computer. But now we do it by pasting a link. Then we adjust the width and height of image. Adjust the padding to remove the extra white space. After that, we insert a button. Change the button text. Enter the link. Change the background color. Change the color. Modify the border radius and the border width. Choose the border color. Change the padding a bit. Then we insert a text. Center alignment. Make it bold. Choose the font color. Make it bigger. Next, we insert social networks here. You can switch the button to show or hide whichever social network you want. Then paste the link here. At last, we add a menu. Change the padding. Input the text. Insert the link. Change the text color. Choose the background color. We do the same with the remaining two. Change the overall background to brighter. And we've completed customizing the template. Save and have a preview. You can preview it on a desktop and mobile version. The next thing we are going to do is enable the default template to make it the active template for all emails. Locate the button and click. The final section is test the default template by submitting a form and checking the resulting email. Let's open a form. Fill out the form. Submit the form. Open the email and see how the email looks. Here you can see it looks nice and better than before. By following these steps, you can fully customize the default template to match the visual identity and branding of your WP forms. The video ends at this stage. Follow us to get new updates in the future. Thank you so much and have a nice day.